Hello po guys, nagbabalik na naman si Ampoy. For today's video po, I will teach you how to make a battery animation po. Or charging battery animation. Ayan. First, we will proceed to TikTok app. Ayan. Once you are in the TikTok, you will proceed to searching. And then type the how to make a battery animation, and then
Would you how to
once you pick the one of the video inside the TikTok, you will proceed to share yung arrow and just click it and then save video. Once you already save, we will proceed to settings, and then just click the modes and rotations, and then click the rotations yung nasa ibaba po. Yan, rotations, and then we will proceed to upper po, yung plus po or letter X, yung X. Yan, just click it and then click the green plus or add what will trigger this routine. Just click it and then proceed the charging status. Just click the charging status and then done. Once you already done, we will proceed to add what this routine will do. Just click it one and then proceed to wallpaper, and then just pick the change lock screen wallpaper, and then you proceed to recent or video to your gallery po. And then once you click it, choose the video that you download it. Yan, like this. And then once you click it, yan po yung lumabas po guys. And then just click the trim or edit. Ayan, we need to cut the TikTok, yan, TikTok image. Once you done the edit, just click the done, and then done the upper side, click it, and then save the bottom mo, may nakita kayong save. Yan, and then once you save it, tapos na po guys. Bali na ano na po siya, na set na po siya as charging battery animation po. Once you charge the cellphone or the Samsung na model, yun po guys ang lalabas po na animation po na sinit up nyo po. So yun lang po ang may tuturo ko sa inyo guys, at sana may matutunan kayo. Salamat sa panonood and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you po.